All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and bust this. We got Slimzy and we got Zinger. Box war right here. We'll do Slimy's box first. 1K, huh? Man. I know, man. The same thing with Jeremy Lin, man. How absurd his stuff sells for. Like, he plays, but he doesn't, you know, he hasn't done anything aside from his insanity period. Alright, good luck, Flimsy. That guy keeps getting hurt, though, man. Alright. Zizic, Frank Mason, Thomas Bryant, George Mikan, DJ Wilson, Mitch Richmond. We got Jordan Bell, Chris Middleton, Bam Adebayo, Brandon Ingram. We got a neon green. We got Dotson and Dirk Nowitzki, neon green, or lime green as they would say in this, at a 149. We got Justin Patton and Jabari Parker. Alright, next one is Zinger. What's up, Luigi? All right, here we go. Good luck. Thomas Bryant, Dwayne Wade, DJ Wilson, Ivan Rabb, Jordan Bell, Jerry West, purple, Bam Adebayo, and Ivan Rabb, rookie purple. Damian Dotson, Larry Bird, Justin Patton, Jokic, Ojale, and Robert Covington. All right, that was your box, Zinger. Sorry. Peace.